Maria Nature Park, in Tayabas, Quezon, a family-friendly nature park, where you can relax with the nature. Located at Tayabas, Mauban Road, Barangay Lakawan, Tayabas, Quezon. Maria Nature Park is valuable landscapes, preserved and present ecological land, and promoted for ecotourism purpose. Maria Nature Park is an area of natural, semi-natural space, set aside for family enjoyment and recreation view of natural habitats. The nature park has a stream narrow river, flowing fresh cold water, and you can relax and unwind with your family and friends. You can take a bath in this cold water of the stream and enjoy the cold natural water, came from the mountain of Tayabas, Quezon. Pay cheap price entrance, and you can relax enjoy at this place, and view beautiful green trees and heard bird chirping. Around this place are modest surrounding, you hear the river current and you can feel the nature, and sniff the fresh air. Nature employs the mind without fatigue and yet enlivens it, tranquilizes it and enlivens it, and thus, through the influences of the mind over. Maria Nature Park, a family-friendly park where you can relax, and be one with the nature. Nature provides great stress relief, by enabling us to remove ourselves from the things that cause us stress in the first place. So if you are stressed, visit Maria Nature Park, and focus your senses of sight, sound, smell, and touch on natural surroundings. Follow for more. And watch more catching videos of all the best eye-catching view has to offer. Thanks for watching.